یہ ٹرافی کیا معنی رکھتی ہے آپ کے لیے؟
بسم اللہ الرحمن الرحیم. رمیز بھائی میرے لیے بہت ایموشنل ہوں کیونکہ پاکستان کے لیے پہلا میں نے اب دی میچ لینا اور پہلے میچ میں کم بیک کرنا تو میرے لیے تھوڑا سا مشکل تھا، آپ کو پتہ ہے، تو بہت خوش ہوں.
یہی دیکھنا تھا کہ جو پی ایس ایل کی فارم ہے، آپ انٹرنیشنل کرکٹ میں کیا اسی انداز سے کھیلیں گے یا نہیں کھیلیں گے؟ تو کتنے باکسز ٹک ہوئے ہیں آپ کے حساب سے؟
میرے خیال سے جس طرح میں پی ایس ایل سے پہلے ڈومیسٹک کھیلا، اس کے بعد پی ایس ایل کھیلا، تو آئیڈیا ہوا ہے کہ آپ کو اسی طرح اس طرح T20 کرکٹ کھیلنی ہوگی، تبھی آپ جا کے انٹرنیشنل میں کامیاب ہوگے. لیکن سٹل امپرومنٹ کی طرف جاؤں گا اور کام کرنا ہے اپنے شاٹس پہ، اور بھی محنت کروں گا.
تو جب آپ کم بیک کر رہے ہوتے ہیں تو آپ کے ذہن میں کیا گزر رہی ہوتی ہے؟ آپ کی حالت کیسی ہوتی ہے؟ کیونکہ فائٹ کرنا پڑتا ہے اپنے آپ سے، پروف کرنا پڑتا ہے پوائنٹ بار بار کہ آپ کتنے اچھے ہیں، اور تو وہ جو ایک نروسنس ڈیولپ ہوتی ہے نا کہ فائنلی موقع ملا ہے تو میں کہیں فیل نہ ہو جاؤں، اس ایک مائنڈ سیٹ کو کیسے آپ نے دور دھکیلا؟
میرے خیال سے اب یہ ڈر ختم ہو گیا کیونکہ یہ میرا تیسرا کہ چوتھا کم بیک ہے اور میں
کم بیک اسپیشلسٹ ہیں آپ.
جی، اور ہر سال میرا کم بیک کوئی ڈفرینٹ سا ہے. میں ہر سال ڈومیسٹک ٹاپ کر کے آتا ہوں، تو میرے خیال سے اب وہ ڈر ختم ہو گیا اور آج ماشاءاللہ آپ لوگوں کو لگا بھی ہو کہ اب وہ ڈر نہیں ہے.
ہاں، پازیٹیو انٹینٹ تو ہمیشہ جھلکتی ہے آپ کی بیٹنگ میں. کیا چیزیں آپ نے اچھی کی اپنے حساب سے؟
پازیٹیو چیزیں تھوڑا اوپر لیول پہ نہیں تھا، اس کو امپروو کرنے کی کوشش کی جس طرح پی ایس ایل میں نہیں کیا، اور آج بہت کانفیڈنٹ تھا کہ جب بھی چانس ملے گا انشاءاللہ اس کو امپروو کروں گا اور دکھاؤں گا لوگوں کو.
بہترین کھیلے، آپ کو بہت بہت مبارک اینڈ ویل ڈن.
تھینک یو.
Little bad luck. I mean, you tried extremely well, but getting a breakthrough, getting first wicket down, but couldn't capitalize that moment, that momentum that you wanted for Bangladesh.
Yeah, definitely. I think when Shariful injured, that time the momentum fully shifted because we know we have a lackings of bowling, and still we come back very well. And this wicket 200, I'm any day I will say I will bat, but as a batting unit we didn't do it good.
You lost 7 wickets for 33 runs, and that was a massive downfall in a way. In a run chase situation, you want partnerships, you want, to take this momentum right till the end. That didn't happen.
Yeah, definitely. I mean, whoever bat well, you have to keep continuity. I mean, you have to play like 13, 14 over still. Although we don't bat well after 4 over, back-to-back wicket. Yeah.
What about your wicket? Because you felt very angry at the non-striker refusing that single, and then next ball, I think you were still seething when you got out. Was that the case?
Not really, but in cricket, you have to feel basic. I mean, that's the basic. We don't follow the basic at the moment. If you saw 2 wicket back-to-back, we don't take runs. So I'm not blame that, but we have to focus on this.
Another opportunity in a day's time. What are you looking forward to in that contest?
Definitely, we have one more chance. At the moment, we have to sit and talk how we can come back strongly, because it's all about mindset. That's it.
Well, very best of luck for that last game.
Yeah, thank you very much.
Salman, many congratulations. Series win at home after 3.5 years. How does it feel?
It feels good. It feels very good, and I didn't know it was 3.5 years before, but yeah, it feels really good, and it was a complete performance that feels way better than anything.
Yeah, I
else.
mean, from skipper's point of view, you'll be very happy that you've got a decent bench strength, and today you had Saibzada in, and he turned out to be your player of the match. So your spread is really, really impressive. The guys who are not even playing can replace anyone, so that's a good situation for you. They're all jostling for positions, and maybe making your life a bit tough when it comes to selecting the 11, but I mean the spread is very impressive.
Yeah, this is what I want. I want, like, if you have 15 players, I want like 10 players ready in the NCA or in anywhere else, because I want, like, if anyone get injured, there is a players who are always ready to come and replace him. And yeah, it's a great headache. Any captain would love to have that kind of headache.
Yeah, I mean, and we've got to talk about Hassan Nawaz. Now, his position in the middle order, and he's really sealed it. Even though, he's an opener, and opener, as we all know, have got a different temperament. They don't have to wait to get in, but here's a guy who has to wait and then get cracking, and to get a 50 of 25, and he does it time and time again, is got to be a great find for you.
He is the way he's batting. Not many people can bat. That's for sure. The way he bats against spinners, like hit sixes at will, it's amazing. And to be honest, he's loving at batting at middle order now. He doesn't want to open anymore. So I'm very happy for him. He's a talent who he's a generation talent.
Moving forward, would you like your bowling combination to be a little different? Because we're talking about this being a World Cup year, then you've got Olympics to handle, and this is still work in progress for you. I mean, you're looking for new players, you're looking for combinations. From bowling point of view, what would you want to do, want to have?
I think we will try more peoples because we want like a bench strength in bowling as well. If you see, we don't really have much bowling strength and bowling bench strength. So I want to try like more people, and before we go to World Cup, like 1 month before, I want a playing 11 and a bowler, so like 3 fast bowlers who's ready in the playing 11, and then 3-4 bowlers who's ready also. When anyone get injured or have a bad days, he can come and join.
Didn't ask you about your role as a skipper. Are you enjoying it?
Yeah, I'm loving it, to be honest. If you have a team like that, it's become very easy, and they all are very young and very and they all wanted to do well for Pakistan. That's the more important thing for us and for me. And I hope they can continue like this, and I hope we can continue like that as a team in going future.
And the last question, obviously, you've got a new coaching staff as well. How's the mood been? Is it a different environment now? Is it more taxing, less taxing? How's it looking?
It's been a few days and everyone loving to be in this environment, and credit has to goes to Mike, the way he come in very short time and just bring the team and tell the team very quickly, and everyone loving him and the team environment. And I think it's very good to have that kind of environment. We want to build that kind of environment so people can come and enjoy and would want to come and play for Pakistan.
Best of luck. Well done today.
Thank you very much.